I want you to imagine this. Imagine that you could get paid for each follower that you followed on Instagram like this. If you could get paid anywhere between $1 and $2 for following people on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 plus per follower and get paid to follow Instagram accounts. This is completely real. It really works. I'm going to show you some of my earnings right now. It's very easy to do, as I'm going to teach you in this video as if you're like 5 years old and if you've never seen this before, to help you understand this each step by step. But there is something that is required to set this up. So this video is super important for that. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to do. This will be set up and ready to go to make money. This is also free for you to do. You don't need paid ads or anything like that. And I'm also going to give you a paid Instagram growth video course for free at the end of this video, plus a secret app to blow up your earnings. So make sure to watch this video until the end to get all of these bonuses and freebies. So over here, I recently just created this Instagram page where I literally just post clips of my YouTube videos from my YouTube channel. The first thing that you need to do is you need to change your page name to the following: the $1,000 giveaway competition. So I just logged into my phone quickly, changed the name of my page to $1,000 giveaway competition. I know you're probably wondering, why are we doing this? But this will make sense as we go along. So make sure to keep watching to understand this. And then you just want to create like a little bio for yourself. Like I've got over here online business free training, my main page, and then a link to a website over here. So I'm going to show you exactly how you need to construct this just in a bit. And I'm also going to show you the exact link that you need to put in the description of your Instagram page to get paid per follower on Instagram. The next thing that you want to do is you want to come over to this website over here called canva.com, where we can design resumes, logos, posters, presentations, anything graphic design that you can think. What you want to do is you want to type in the search bar Insta, just type in Insta. Over here, you'll just wait for this to load up. You want to choose Instagram post over here and make sure this resolution is 1080 by 1080 pixels. You'll see over here I actually already created a template for you guys. Just make sure to keep watching. I'll show you how you can actually get this in a bit. I'm actually going to give this to you, and you want to design something that says just like this, just like this. You don't want to change anything. Literally copy this as is. I will even leave a link down below. All you need to do is just leave a like on this video, subscribe, comment down below that you're ready. I'll reply to your comment with this link on your comment to the download page of this little script over here that you need. You want to type 1,000 Visa gift card giveaway. To mark the launch of our brand new page, I just used the example at Suit Item Collectors. We have an awesome competition. You could win a $1,000 Visa gift card via lucky draw. To enter these steps, share this post to your story and feed and then tag us. Follow at Suit Item Collectors. Click on the link in the bio to submit your entry, and you must do all of the above to enter. So what this means is, in order for people to enter your competition, you need to share this post to your story. So automatically, people are going to share this to their audiences. They are going to tell other people also to share to the story to enter this giveaway. So it has one big ripple effect. And now all of these people are going to follow you because, well, that's part of how you got to enter. And then people have to click on the link in your bio to submit your entry, which I'm going to show you how to set up now. And you must do all of the above to enter. So what I like about a little giveaway like this, it naturally creates a ripple effect of virality for you, getting a ton of money per every follower that follows you on your page. And once you've downloaded your little design down below for this, the next step for you to do is you need to come over to this website over here called cpalead.com. Now this is a website where we can go and do cost per action marketing. Cost per action marketing is a form of marketing where you get money for somebody to complete a specific action. So you're not actually selling anything. You don't need to promote a cold product to someone, get them to buy it in order to make money. All you need to do is to get them to take an action, whether it's sign up with an email, sign up for a giveaway, sign up for some newsletter. That company will then reward you anywhere between $1 and $3 for just signing them up to that specific offer. So that what I like about CPA marketing, it's very, very easy to make money, and it's also very, very easy to scale. So what you need to do is sign up with your account over here. So once you click on sign up, you'll see it will be say check your browser before accessing CPA Lead. It will then take you to a page like this where you can actually just sign up directly with your Facebook or Google account. If you don't want to do that, just enter this information over here and it will take you to a dashboard that looks like this, where I've actually so far earned $103 today. Yesterday was only an $87.96 day. This month over $1,000. All time with CPA Leads, I've earned over $14,000. Now obviously the all time and month to date is one or two other different strategies as well. Today and yesterday was only specifically this strategy that I'm teaching in this video. So this is just to actually show you that I am actually getting results from this, as I know a lot of these people online like teach these ways where they don't actually show their own earnings. So this is my earnings from this. I know it's not like thousands and thousands of dollars in a day, but it's a couple of extra 80 to 100 bucks literally just using Instagram followers. What you need to do is click on the offers tab over here. I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and you need to go and search over here country. I like to use United States, all countries if you want to. Over here, if I scroll down, you can see if you sign up someone to this giveaway of $1,000 Walmart gift card, you're going to get 70-cent commission per person that you refer to this giveaway. What I like to do is I like to kind of look for the ones like cash giveaways, PayPal giveaways. So here you can see is $1,000 Amazon gift card. If I scroll down some more, okay, I can't really see the PayPal one. Over here is a $750 PayPal one, a $3,000 Walmart. And over here, you can use this Walmart gift card. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this offer over here. It's going to pop up with a tab like this. Now, all you need to do is use your affiliate link over here. You will see every time someone clicks on this affiliate link, signs up for this $1,000 Walmart gift card, you're going to get 70 cents per person that signs up for this giveaway. And I know that may not seem like a lot, but let's say you use this strategy and you get, for example, 150 people to sign up in a day through this viral Instagram strategy. You get to a point where you're getting like thousands or even tens of thousands of people a day. Multiplied by $0.70 is $105 today. Let's say you get 1,000 people. 1,000 times $0.70, that's $700 that you can make today of just 1,000 followers or 1,000 people. So you need to copy your affiliate link like this. You then need to come over to a website called bio.fm. Click on sign up for free if you don't have an account, or just click on sign in if you do have an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in with my account. Once you've signed in, your page will look like this. You want to click on edit blocks over here. You want to click on tap to add content. Click on links and websites. Over here, just click on next. You want to type for your title, $1,000 Walmart gift card entry. You want to copy this again, or just type for the title here, click here and paste your affiliate link here. And you want to click on add more links. Then you want to come back to CPA Leads over here and you want to go and copy, for example, the Amazon one. Just come back up to the search bar over here. I just lost it quickly. Amazon. Over here, click on the Amazon gift card. You want to copy your affiliate link. Come back to your Bio FM. Paste this URL over here. And you want to type, for example, $1,000 Amazon entry here. So now what you actually have is you have two links. You've got a link to the Walmart gift card entry and the $1,000 Amazon gift card entry. So you can now actually get 2 signups and 2 referrals per person and make double the amount of money. It's quite smart. So I'm going to click on add block over here once I'm done. Over here, you want to put this bio.fm link in the description of your Instagram page over here. Now, what you want to go and do is, now that you've got to set this up, you want to use this photo over here, post it on your story. That's your Instagram page, your story, post it everywhere. You want to come over to people like Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, click on their followers and literally follow, unfollow as many people as possible. You also, by the way, want to name your Instagram page to some like
money giveaway competitions or PayPal giveaway competitions, something that says giveaways PayPal, because when people see that name of your page, they're going to click on it and they want to see what it's all about. That's where they're going to see your post, your bio with the giveaway competition, and the link to all your giveaways. And then from there, that's how it has one big ripple effect, because everybody's going to enter this competition and start sharing your posts. That's how you can get followers, likes, tons of giveaways, and it's quite amazing what you can actually do with this viral strategy. So you just want to go follow. I would say about 10 to 20 people every 20 minutes, so it doesn't look suspicious in the eyes of Instagram. And this right here is the little tool that I wanted to show you that can literally blow up 16 Instagram accounts like this at the same time. It's quite an incredible strategy and an incredible tool that not a lot of people know about. So this tool will allow you to connect unlimited accounts, auto post content. Come take a look at this. If I click on the pricing tab, I'm just waiting for this to load up. It will take me to this page here. I personally use the $16 a month page. You can have unlimited hashtag suggestions, hashtags that will make you go viral, welcome DMs to all your followers, auto repost, so you can repost competitions and just run them again to make them go viral again and double the virality, auto comment liker, auto followers, auto unfollowers, auto likes, auto comments, automatically automates your Instagram page. You can get tons of followers, likes, and that will automatically get more people to enter your giveaway competitions, automatically boosting your virality, getting you tons of CPA signups and money per every single follower. If you guys want to get a free training on how you can learn to master the art of selling rare high-income skills and services without actually doing that work yourself. So how this works is you get taught how to sell rare high-income skills such as coding, web development, IT, tech, digital marketing, copywriting, skills that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for. You don't even need to do that work yourself. You literally go to a place like Fiverr or Upworks, pay someone 40 or 50 bucks to do the same thing. You create a professional company looking landing page, sell that same service for $400 and keep over $300 in your pocket. This is an entire 57 video intensive training program and online university that will have one-on-one mentoring at over $19,000. So come over to the first link in the description, take a look at some of the students over here. This one student of mine, Nathan, made over 15,000 euros doing this. This person over here made over $1,300. This person over here, Amit, made $397 in his first day. This person over here made $9,600 in just his first 2 months doing this. So I've got tons of students getting tons of sales and profits with this. There's over $19,000 worth of bonuses in this university, including your own done-for-you drop servicing agency given to you at the end of this bootcamp. So come over to the first link in the description and you can claim everything there. Without further ado, I'll see you on the free training over here.